This is Ben from Testiv looking at an SAT algebra problem. This problem is kind of tough because you're going to want to solve it like a system of equations, but you actually have too many variables. So you can't solve for every value. So you're going to have to do some different kind of reasoning here. Well, if you do some kind of different reasoning, it's hard to do any reasoning from RSTV equals 1 because you could have a whole bunch of different numbers that get multiplied to equal 1. You could also have a whole bunch of different numbers that get multiplied to equal 0. However, we know that STUV, that's S times T times U times V equals 0. Well, that means one of these numbers at least has to equal 0, right? So anytime that you're multiplying numbers together and they end up equaling 0, at least one of them must equal 0. So could be S, could be T, could be U, or could be V. Well, now we can look at our other equation, and we can actually see that there's a common piece. So let's reorder these here. We have RSTV equals 1, and we have STUV equals 0. Let's actually reorder this so that it's equal to USTV. So you can see that STV is a common common factors in both on the left side of both equations. Well, that means that STV actually cannot equal 0. S times T times V, let's just treat it as one unit, cannot equal 0 because if any of these letters equaled, if any of these variables equaled 0, S, T, or V, then RSTV could not equal 1. Okay, right here, because it would equal 0. So that means that because S, T, and V cannot equal 0, that means that U has to equal 0 in order for STUV to equal 0 as a whole. So that means this is our correct answer.